Hello all, I'm here today to give you a quick tutorial on how to type an equation and math symbols into a Google Doc. So let's get started. So I'm in here into Google Docs already. So basically I'll do this for geometry and also for algebra. So let me do geometry first. So the basic way to get an equation is through insert, equation, okay? And you notice that there is a little box here, so inside this text box is where equation is going to go. And notice when I did that, a toolbar shows up here with different mathematical symbols that I'm going to use. So for geometry, let's say I wanted to do, I don't know, maybe tangents of an angle, so maybe tan, I could use x or I could use theta. So if I go down here, I have Greek letters. The popular one here would be theta, which is right there. Okay. Just so you can see the different options here, this is miscellaneous. So you have multiplication is useful, perpendicular, triangle symbol is also pretty useful here. If I go over here, I have my inequality symbols and set symbols. Going over here, these ones are pretty useful. Here's my fraction. Here's how to raise a power. And I have some other ones that I'm not going to use too much, and I also have some arrows. So anyway, getting back to this, so let's say tan theta equals, and that's just from the keyboard, and let's make this a fraction. So I'm going to do a over b, and notice a little bar shows up with the cursor above it. So let's say, I don't know, tan of theta equals, let's say 5 over. Now notice I hit that with the arrow key and it pops me outside, okay, of the text box, which I don't really want to do that. So to get back in, I can either click inside of it and notice the box appears. Okay, if I click again, there's my cursor. But also it's helpful to use the arrow keys quite a bit. So I can hop outside and back inside. I can hop up over here as well. I'm back inside. I'm just using the arrow keys to get to where I need to go. So let's say 5 over 12, let's say. And then when I have what I want, click outside of it and I'm good. So now let's show you how to do maybe something for algebra. So let's do a new equation here. And let's do like a quadratic. So how about, let's see, how about x squared, so x from the keyboard, and now if I just hit 2, that shows up. I don't want that. I want the exponent to be 2, so I got to hit the arrow key, the right arrow, and now if you notice it popped up into the exponent, the power. So there's my 2, and now to get back down, if I keep typing, it stays up in the exponent. I don't want that. So hit the arrow, the right arrow key in the keyboard, and it will drop you back down. So let's say x squared, I don't know, plus from the keyboard, 2x minus 3 equals, again from the keyboard, 0. Okay, and now hit the right arrow, and now there's my quadratic. Okay, so it's pretty easy using sort of the equation. Again, that's insert equation, and it will allow you to type in equations. The other useful thing is insert, like if I wanted a degree symbol, which is common in geometry, if I go down to special characters in the insert, click that, this big sort of menu of special characters will show up. Now there's a lot of stuff to choose from. It's easy to get lost in here. The easiest way to kind of find it is really just use the search. So I put in degree, and now there you go. So it gives you a couple things. There's degree sign. I click it, and when I X out, there's the degree symbol. Okay, so I can just insert that in there. There's all kinds of symbols in there you can play around with. But that is pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It takes a little getting used to, but again, it's all sort of in this insert menu for the special characters. Okay, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.